Let's make hanging honeycomb Easter eggs. First, draw a gluing guide. Create a folded egg template and use this to cut out 28 pieces from coloured paper. You will need 4 A4 sheets to create a nice full-looking egg. Next, add pencil lines on the gluing guide to position each egg piece. Draw fine lines of glue from the fold line outwards, following the dash lines. Fold close, press down and repeat for all 28 pieces. Once dry, reposition one of these pieces and add more lines of glue, this time following the solid lines on the gluing guide. Carefully press down a second piece in the same position. Repeat this process, forming a whole stack of egg pieces. Allow to dry completely. Grab some jute twine and cut a piece to create a hanging loop for the egg. Cover the spine of the egg stack with plenty of glue and fix the twine in place. Once nice and dry, open out the egg and secure with a paper clip. Have fun making many more honeycomb Easter eggs in all different colours and sizes.